Hello. Welcome. Today, we'll explore how to convert a simple text file into a structured JSON format using Python. This is super useful for processing data, creating APIs, or even just organizing information more effectively. We'll cover the basics, walk through a practical example, and show you some tricks for handling different text file formats. First, let's understand why we might want to convert text to JSON. Text files are great for storing simple data, but they lack structure. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, provides a structured way to represent data using key-value pairs and lists. This structure makes it easier to parse, validate, and use the data in applications. To start, you'll need Python installed on your computer. Then, we'll use the JSON module, which is part of Python's standard library, so no need to install anything extra. Now, let's dive into the code. First, you'll need to open your text file and read its content. We can do this using Python's open function in read mode, R. Store the content in a variable. Next, you will parse the content of the file. This step depends heavily on how your text file is structured. For instance, if each line represents a separate data entry, you can split the content by lines using the .splitlines method. If the file is comma-separated, CSV-like, you can use the CSV module for more robust parsing. For this example, let's assume each line contains data separated by commas, like name, age, city. After parsing, we need to create a Python dictionary or list of dictionaries that represent our desired JSON structure. For the name, age, city example, you could create a list of dictionaries where each dictionary has keys name, age, and city. After creating the data structure, we finally convert it to JSON using the json.dumps function. This function takes your Python object, dictionary or list, and converts it into a JSON string. You can also use the json.dump function to directly write the JSON data to a file. Remember to open the file in write mode, W, before using json.dump. To make the JSON more readable, use the indent parameter in json.dumps. Setting indent equals 4 adds indentation to the output, making it easier to understand. Handle potential errors, such as file not found or incorrect data format, using try except blocks. This makes your script more robust. As a bonus, you could add command line arguments using the argparse module to specify input and output files, making your script even more flexible. This involves setting up the argument parser, adding arguments for input and output file paths, and then parsing the arguments. Remember to properly document your code with comments explaining each step. This helps others understand and use your script. Now, you have the basic knowledge to convert text files to JSON with Python. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, please consider supporting the channel by liking this video and subscribing for more content like this. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos.